If I told you yesterday that a robot vacuum would walk in 2026, you'd probably laugh and scroll past, because robot vacuums don't walk. They roll, they bump into walls, and they panic at the sight of stairs. But CES 2026 said, not anymore, because this thing right here, the Roborock Saros Rover, just broke the oldest rule in robotic cleaning. This is the first robot vacuum with legs, not wheels pretending to be clever, actual leg-like movement that lifts, balances, and climbs. And once you see it move, your brain instantly goes, "Oh, yeah, this makes way too much sense." Here's why this matters. For years, robot vacuums have lived in a flat world. One floor, no stairs, no weird steps, no thresholds that are slightly too high. The moment things get complicated, they tap out and wait to be carried like royalty. Saros Rover doesn't wait. It uses a wild wheel leg hybrid design that lets it raise its body, step forward, stabilize itself, and keep going. Straight stairs, curved stairs, even those awkward spiral ones that don't feel safe for humans, let alone robots. And the crazy part? It stays level while doing it. So it's not just climbing for show, it's actually cleaning the whole time. Now add power to that movement. This thing pulls 19,000 pascals of suction, which means it's not gently sweeping dust, it's attacking dirt. Carpets, rugs, pet hair, stair edges, all fair game. And thanks to its anti-tangle setup, it doesn't choke the second it meets real-world hair. But movement and power aren't enough if a robot doesn't know where it's going. That's where the brains come in. Saros Rover uses advanced 3D mapping and AI navigation to understand your home as a space, not just a floor plan. It can read curved staircases, bullnose edges, slopes, and uneven surfaces, stuff most robots don't even attempt. It learns how your house is shaped and adapts instead of forcing you to adapt to it. And when it's done cleaning, it heads back to its dock, empties itself, cleans itself, and gets ready for the next run. No babysitting, no constant maintenance. It even supports modern smart home systems, so it actually fits into how people live now. Now, quick reality check, this is still a concept. You can't buy it yet, but that's exactly why it's exciting. This isn't Roborock showing off a minor upgrade. This is them saying, the flat-only robot vacuum era is over. If this makes it to real homes anywhere close to what we saw at CES 2026, carrying your robot vacuum upstairs might finally become a thing of the past. So let me ask you this, is this the future of cleaning, or the moment robot vacuums officially started feeling a little too alive? Drop your thoughts below, and if you want more next-gen tech that actually feels different, you know where to subscribe.